Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. Not exactly sure why that car was freaking out and getting out of the way all extreme, but it's all good. It's a day after Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to go for a little cruise, you know? Wanted to go for a little spin. Just enjoy the streets, enjoy my city. And, you know, cruise about. Cruise about. No particular mission, no particular destination, but we're just kind of enjoying ourselves and cruising. Gonna take a little right here. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. I already violated like 9 laws, 10 rules. So I'm gonna pick a topic for this vlog that doesn't involve any sort of educational purpose. Today we're gonna discuss what is the meaning of writing. It's a question somebody recently posted up for one of my Q&A things, and I feel like it's a bigger question than just a quick Q&A hit. So we'll discuss it a little bit as I coast to none other than Dunkin Donuts. That's right. They got this new deal where for $6 you get a croissant, sausage, egg, cheese, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. It's 30 degrees, feels like 25. This thing is telling me it's 32, which is a lie. But anyway, what exactly is the meaning of writing? Good question. I think to start, one has to remember that nothing remains the same and everything always changes. So the meaning of writing that first trapped me into this hobby, into this lifestyle. Jesus, brother, you okay? Is it a cop or something? That first trapped me into this lifestyle and this hobby. I think it's a whole another animal. The animal that keeps me here now is different than the animal that trapped me. The animal that keeps me here now is a different one. Originally, I think it was just a simple excitement of switching from a motorcycle, from a bicycle to a motorcycle, you know? That meaning of love for writing. And then it just evolved. For example, I used to never... It's weird, when I first bought the bike, I never considered it to be a commuter. I never considered it to be a tool. Like, when I bought the bike, it was always a toy. It was always a toy. I'm telling you, like, it was a toy. There was no purpose to some sort of hardcore, you know, like I had no big plans. There was no plans for this vlog. There was no plans for anything. I mean, I wanted to go to California, but that was like a pipe dream, you know? A lot of people have dreams. Absolutely nothing wrong with dreams. And it was one of mine. Upon accomplishing it, I realized that I'm in love with this thing. I'm not exactly positive who or what is happening. So at one point the meeting was very naive, very fresh and young. Then the meeting evolved, you know. Not only about skill, it's also about like the point in life that you are. For example, all this angry writing, all this aggressive sending and all this bullshit, that's like that's an unfortunate byproduct of something else I'm dealing with in life. I totally understand none of this makes sense and this vlog is cryptic and weird, but it's okay. I think we're alright. We're gonna take a ride over there on Clay Street and go to Queens. That's right. So I can't tell you what the meaning of writing is to you, but to me, it has always been like drugs. It has always been like drugs. Basically, why do people do drugs? To numb themselves, right? To kind of space out, zone out, to forget, to get away. Well, welcome to my writing experience. It has always been like that. It has always been a getaway. There's always been an excuse. Still is. Still is. So the meaning of writing to me has evolved, but has always remained the same. Escape. Escape physically, mentally, spiritually. Just escape. Just a quick buck. Just a quick buck. I don't know if that made any sense, this video. I don't know if it makes sense at all, but it is the truth. Unfortunately, it's a bar. Look at that. Is it? Oh, that's not a motorcycle rider. That's a delivery moped. There we go. Gonna go there, Captain Slowpoke. And I'm sure the meaning of writing will change and shift once again. I'm sure it will be something else once again. Because, like I said, nothing is forever. The meaning of writing. Even the vlog, you know, like, everything changed. People, like, sometimes say, like, oh, bro, like, back in the day, your vlogs, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, well, there you go. Back in the day, my vlogs were blah, blah, blah. Nowadays, my vlogs are yada, 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 right? Ding, ding, ding. Dung, dung, dung. Vlogs, life, writing. I think the biggest issue is that I'm kind of like just jaded. I think I lost the plot a little bit, you know, like the basic plot of life, the very basic joy of things, you know. I think I might have lost that. And once you lose the basic plot, you might be in trouble. And I kind of feel like I might be in trouble. Maybe. Maybe not. There we go. Kind of also want to get on a highway and just cruise for a while, but it's also chilly. So I did lose the plot a little bit. Did lose the meaning of life a little bit, which is not ideal. But it's also Queen's Best Burger. Interesting. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna get some Dunkin Donuts and have a coffee. Perhaps I'm not even awake yet, you know what I mean? I could be a little bit groggy and not understanding some things. Tell me what the meaning of writing is to you. Like, I know I didn't say anything. I did not answer the question. I didn't actually answer, but you know. Wait, this Dunkin Donuts? Why is that place so fucking busy, bro? So fucking busy. Actually gonna go the other way. What is this? Ooh, that's cute. Do not enter. Car. Oh, look, congestion zone. That's the congestion situation, but that's not where we're going. We're not dealing with any of that. I'm gonna take a right over here. Poop. Just like so. Go explore some new areas, right? So that right there concludes my meaning of life or meaning of writing video. Because obviously, coherent I am not. Educational and interesting I am not. That dude was legit just wearing a freaking hoodie. That's mental. Skillman Avenue. Not quite same as Skillman Street. No. Just wanted to go for a ride today. Wanted to go for a spin. See what we're up to, right? See how we're chilling. Probably should take a right here, but I don't know where I'm going, so we're not gonna do that. I got my GPS with me, so you know, worst comes to worst, I could always just pretty. Cute. I think this is the street that I usually take to go to go home, but we're gonna go straight today. We'll figure it out. Yeah. The meaning of life or writing. Either way. Sorry, tried my best to answer, but I don't know what the meaning of writing is. Either way, just want to thank you for watching. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate you all. I'm gonna probably start another vlog. Where are we going? Congestion relief zone. Nope, we're going straight. Cute. Still recording. That's wonderful. Alright, boys and girls. Ooh, look at that. Could probably be a good deli for a little breakfast, huh? I'm hungry. I do need food. So I think that's probably next. Ew, that thing stinks. Alright, boys and girls, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.